Hi everyone, this is Zuaib. In this clip, I want to talk about offshore service model. Within the country, you can have centralized and decentralized service models, but as a learning and development organization, you can decide that you need to reduce cost, and then what is the best model for you. In that case, then it's best to then offshore your services that you want to offer. And in those cases, what I've learned is that when you think about learning and development services, there are different functions that you have, which could be from instruction designers, from academic technologists, from copy editors, from quality assurance, from media developers, and there could be so many type of medias that you want to offer. But the question is, which services are best to be offshored? And from my experience, I think that it's best that you keep design services in-house, which could be within your department, or you can contract it to organizations within the country. But it's very important that when you have development services that you have to do, which could be developing the blueprint of a course, and then you have to build that course. And then you have the blueprint of a media that you want to create, which is, could be the storyboard. You can do that design work in-house or within the country. But offshoring the development services will help you reduce cost, because at the end of the day, development is the most costly phase in any learning and development. So from my experience, it's best that you offshore any development services, which could be building the course inside the learning management system, which can also address concerns about copy editing and quality assurance. And if you have different type of media developments where you have different interactives, different videos, animations, it's best that you design those and do the storyboard in-house within the country or within the department. But if you want, you can offshore those development services outside. The good thing is that countries outside the United States are very well positioned. And if you go all the way to the East, there are countries where they are used to working with Western companies, and they understand the culture and the type of projects that you want to create. And the price model is amazing. And that's the main thing, that when you want to offshore, is the key thing is price. But it's easier than done, because it's also important that you understand that you're going to work with someone who is not from the same country. So, the culture is key, communication, workflows, all those things have to be established. But the good news is that it is something which is very much established, and there are organizations outside the US and specifically in the east part of the country as well, where countries like India and others are very well equipped in terms of offering these development services. Thank you. I hope you find this useful.